Hi, my name is Purnima. I stay in Mumbai. I had been suffering from fistula for almost about 1.5 years. I've had 3 other surgeries in the past. Of course, these were not fistula related, but there were some other surgeries. So the fourth surgery, another surgery, and going through that entire process was extremely nerve-wracking. I just like everybody, I evaluated a lot of options on fistula. Should I do Shar Sutra? Should I do the fistulotomy? Should I do laser? And I heard so many reviews and so many different comments about it. I wasn't really sure. So obviously, like any other patient, I went from doctor to doctor, scans to scans, MRIs to MRIs to figure out what needs to be done. I'm on a support group online, and that's where I discovered about the Healing Hands Clinic. I read the papers and I read some really good reviews about the clinic, the doctor, the staff, and all of that, and decided to check it out. So then I made my journey from Mumbai to Pune. Visited the doctor here, visited the staff here, and to be honest, in the first meeting, I got all the details that I wanted about the treatment procedure and the fact that yes, this is something that can be cured and there is hope. So don't lose it if you are in that phase right now. I have been there too, and today I I sit today absolutely fistula free, as the doctor just confirmed about a minute ago. The procedure is not very invasive, and the healing process, while it takes its time, there's a lot of follow-up that you can come here for. Speak to the doctor, any doctor on the team that who has been a part of this journey with you. Speak to the staff, they are extremely courteous. The rooms that are here will not make you feel as a patient at all. So be rest assured that as part of the healing process, even the ambience that makes a big difference is all taken care of here. So yeah, I mean, I wish you all the best in your healing journey, and hopefully you find your space and your cure just the way I did today. While it's taken about 2 months for the overall recovery process, I'm glad that there's been so much of touch points with the hospital. There's been so much of contact points with the doctors, and never have I ever left the clinic feeling that my questions have been unanswered, or I have an inkling of a doubt, and all of that. So I wish you all the very best, and I'm sure if you would like to get in touch with me, the staff here can help you with that as well, and I'll be happy to share my experience. I would expressively want to thank Dr. Ashwin Porwal for constantly answering messages, calls, no matter what time of the day it has been. Even if the query was not directly related to fistula but some other issue, he has been kind enough to respond and put my mind at ease. There have been several times I've been in touch with Dr. Snehal Porwal as well, and she's also been extremely helpful, patient, answered all queries regardless of the time that it has taken. So I'm extremely grateful to the two strong pillars of this clinic, and I wish them all the very best. I obviously hope to continue to stay in touch with Dr. Ashwin and with Dr. Snehal, in anything that may be required, and an excellent kudos to the staff as well.